someone started a giant Excel spreadsheet, and I was like, Excel, I know how to do Excel, which I didn't know was such an important thing until way later. They should do like courses in this is how you Excel. I actually taught myself Excel in college, coincidentally not through any course, but through playing online role-playing games. I was the kingdom ruler for a kingdom in simulated Romance of the Three Kingdoms, and as I was ruling, I would use Excel to crack the formulas that they were building, and then to also build tools that would help me manage. Well, it turns out tools that you use to manage your fake kingdom in an online role-playing game are basically exactly the same tools that you use for budgeting and for building multi-billion-dollar healthcare networks. Same thing. You just use different numbers.